Andy from Andy's Workshop Corner. I am going to be making a epoxy countertop for the vanity that we're putting into one of our bathrooms. I've never done it before. Not really sure how it's going to turn out, but I don't like it. I'm out about 400 bucks, and I'll just order some granite. But want to give it a shot. First thing we're going to do today is we're going to cut out the plywood. Now, the countertop width is 22 inches. I'm gonna give it an 1.5 inch overhang. So I'm gonna cut this out at 23.5 inches. But the first thing I do before I cut out plywood, I just want to make sure I got a straight edge. Not that it's that important on this particular application, because you're going up against wall, and your wall's not going to be straight. But anyway, so first step is to cut it out a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna trim it down. So let's get started. So now the next step is to cut the where the overhang is. We want it to look like granite, so we're gonna make it a little thicker. Typically granite's about 1.5 inches thick, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna take another strip of plywood, and we're gonna cut it down to 1.5 inches for our 1.5 inch overhang. I'm painting the countertop that I made for the vanity now with this this product here, and that's the first part. I primed it with Stix primers first, and then I went and sprayed. And I may not use the backsplash. Deciding whether or not I actually want to do a tile backsplash or not. But it didn't say anything about not spraying it, and I'm a cabinet guy, so I'm going to spray. But it laid down pretty good, and it's starting to really come together like a countertop. And it's thin enough to spray with an HVLP sprayer. I did not. I used an airless sprayer on this, but we're going to see in about a few hours how it's going to all turn out. But anyways, let's see what happens. I'm doing the veins on my fake countertop. This is my first go at it, and I thought it looked pretty good, and I just wanted to show it off real quick. But anyways, I'm gonna kind of feather it out with a brush a little bit. But anyways, so followed it down to the side right there. And I'll make it a little bit lighter. And anyways, so